Did you know that over 80% of traders lose money in the stock market? Having the right indicators can make all the difference in turning those odds in your favor. When it comes to trading, having a reliable system to generate buy and sell signals is crucial for success. That's where AI TradingView Indicators come in. Powerful tools that can simplify the process of trading and provide you with accurate signals to make informed decisions. With the advancement of artificial intelligence, these indicators have become more sophisticated, allowing traders to tap into their full potential. One of the biggest advantages of using AI TradingView indicators is that they can help you stay ahead of the curve, giving you an edge over other traders. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and large datasets, these indicators can identify patterns that may not be visible to the human eye, providing you with actionable insights to make profitable trades. In today's fast-paced trading environment, timing is everything. You need to be able to respond quickly to changing market conditions, and that's exactly what AI TradingView indicators can help you do. By automating the process of identifying profitable trading opportunities, these indicators can save you time and reduce the risk of human error. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, AI TradingView indicators can be a game changer for your trading strategy. So, how do these indicators actually work? We'll dive deeper into that in a bit. But first, let's talk about the challenges traders face when it comes to identifying profitable trading opportunities. Traders often struggle with making timely decisions, leading to missed opportunities and potential losses. This can be due to a lack of experience, emotional bias, or simply being overwhelmed by the sheer amount of market data. Even the most seasoned traders can fall victim to impulsive decisions, compromising their entire trading strategy. Fear and greed are two of the most common emotions that can cloud a trader's judgment, leading to disastrous consequences. When it comes to analyzing market data, traders often rely on technical indicators, but these can be limited in their ability to provide accurate buy and sell signals. The problem is that traditional indicators are based on historical data and can be slow to respond to changing market conditions. This can result in lagging signals that fail to capture the full potential of a trade. Furthermore, many traders struggle with information overload, trying to make sense of the vast amounts of market data available. This can lead to analysis paralysis, causing traders to miss out on profitable trading opportunities. The complexity of the markets demands a more sophisticated approach to identifying trading opportunities. In addition, market volatility can be unpredictable, making it challenging to develop a robust trading strategy. This is where AI TradingView indicators come in, providing a more reliable and accurate way of identifying profitable trading opportunities. The lack of transparency in trading signals is another common challenge traders face. How can you trust a signal if you don't understand the logic behind it? AI TradingView indicators, on the other hand, provide clear and transparent signals, allowing you to make informed decisions with confidence. Traders often rely on intuition or gut feeling when making trading decisions, but this approach can be unreliable and inaccurate. AI TradingView indicators eliminate the need for intuition, providing you with objective and data-driven signals. Another challenge traders face is the constant need to stay up to date with market trends and adapt to changing market conditions. This can be time-consuming and exhausting, taking away from the time and energy needed to focus on actual trading. AI TradingView indicators can help automate this process, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most. The emotional aspect of trading cannot be overstated. Fear, greed, and anxiety can all impact a trader's ability to make rational decisions. AI TradingView indicators help to remove emotions from the equation, providing you with objective signals that are based on hard data. In order to overcome these challenges, traders need access to reliable and accurate trading signals. That's where AI TradingView indicators come in, providing a solution to the common problems faced by traders. There are numerous AI indicators available on TradingView, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Some indicators are based on machine learning algorithms, while others rely on natural language processing or even neural networks. The key is to understand how each indicator works and how to apply it effectively in your trading strategy. One popular AI indicator on TradingView is a trend identifier, which uses machine learning algorithms to identify emerging trends and provide accurate buy and sell signals. Another indicator is the sentiment analyzer, which analyzes market sentiment to provide insights into market psychology. Some AI indicators focus on chart patterns, identifying complex patterns that may not be visible to the human eye. Others use correlation analysis to identify relationships between different assets, providing valuable insights for traders. What makes AI TradingView indicators so effective is their ability to analyze large datasets and identify patterns that may not be visible to human analysts. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, these indicators can provide accurate and timely signals that help traders stay ahead of the curve. Let's take a look at a real-life example of how AI TradingView indicators can improve trading outcomes. In our case study, we looked at a trader who was struggling to identify profitable trading opportunities. By incorporating an AI TradingView indicator into their strategy, they were able to increase their profits by over 30% in just a few months. The key takeaway from this case study is that AI TradingView indicators can be a game changer for traders. By providing accurate and timely signals, these indicators can help traders make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, AI TradingView indicators can be a powerful tool in any trader's arsenal. By automating the process of identifying profitable trading opportunities, these indicators can help traders overcome common challenges and achieve greater profitability. If you're not already using AI TradingView indicators in your trading strategy, now is the time to start. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can take your trading to the next level and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your experiences using trading indicators. Have you had any success with AI indicators? Let us know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out our other videos for more trading tips and strategies to help you succeed in the markets.